So di po, di topic ko kasi di ko ina-expect.
Being late creates a negative first impression and shows poor preparation. In Filipino workplaces, punctuality is a sign of respect.
Good morning, ma'am. I arrived a few minutes early and placed the reforms with it.
Arriving early shows professionalism and readiness, making you a stronger candidate.
Okay lang po mga soto, may kasi.
In the Philippines, neat and modest attire is expected. Slouching shows lack of confidence and disinterest.
I chose business casual attire here in the background. I'm excited to discuss how I pick out dating.
Good posture and professional attire build credibility and confidence.
Can you tell me about your strengths?
Ano po, hardworking and friendly po, I guess.
Vague answers show that you are unprepared and unsure. Filipino employers prefer clear and well-thought-out responses.
Can you tell me about your strengths?
One of my strengths is adaptability. For example, my previous project, I learned the software within a week to help my team take part in it.
Specific examples make your answers much stronger and more credible.
We learned the importance of combining verbal and non-verbal communication. The Philippine workplace values courtesy and professionalism.
Specific example make interview responses stronger.
Proper attire and posture help build confidence.
Overall, preparation is the key to a successful job interview.
These simple do's and don'ts can help job seekers make a strong impression in any Filipino workplace. Thank you for watching.